Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 26, Quranic Verses, Veiling the Faults of Muslims, and the Prohibition against divulging them without necessity. Those who love that indecency should spread among those who believe. Surely for them is a painful punishment in the world and the hereafter. Allah knows the exact truth and nature of all matters, but you do not know. Surah An-Nur, chapter 24, verse 19. Hadith number 142, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adab, 60, Sahih Muslim, Zuhd, 52. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I heard the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, say, all of my community will be given safety except for those who flaunt themselves. An aspect of flaunting yourself is to do an action by night and then in the morning, when Allah has veiled you, to say, oh so-and-so, I did such and such yesterday. Removing Allah's veil in the morning after your Lord has veiled you in the night. Hadith number 143, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Hudud 4. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, said, a man who had drunk wine was brought before the Prophet. Peace and blessings be upon him. Punish him, he ordered. Abu Huraira continued, some of us beat with our hands, some with our sandals, and some with our garments. When he left, one of the people said, may Allah disgrace you. He said, do not say that. Do not help Satan against him.